so sorry for the wait for the install of this wig. When I say I was man down, I was man down. Like, I mean, I'm not even 100% feeling better, but I'm not gonna make y'all wait no longer. Let me go ahead with the install because I'm still not feeling good. But I didn't want to come on here looking a hot mess. So let's get into it. I didn't have time. I did not bleach it. When I say I didn't want to do nothing, I didn't want to do nothing. Like, I'm still congested. I'm still tired. But I did, what I do? Put the purple shampoo and like toned it just a little bit. And I'm gonna put some concealer, and that'll be it. Like, I just ain't got the time. I'm just gonna do this video for y'all because hell, what the fuck. But yeah, how y'all 4th of July go? Cause I was still in the bed, sick, coughing, mucus everywhere. Like, pray for you, girl. But anywho, let's get into it. Put some of my lace glue on. Don't judge, because I don't know where none of this stuff at right now. I'm using what's in front of me just to install the wig for y'all. Mind your business. Oh, shit. My son crazy. I ain't cook. Matter of fact, let me cook out. I did. I cooked my kids some food for the 4th. And I really did not eat because I still can't taste nothing. And I know it was good because I can cook.
So then, why?
Alright, what y'all want to do is, you know what to do. Let this dry until it turn clear. And then, you know, just hold on. As you can see, we almost there. And as you can see, so now we're going to start just laying this down like that. Making sure I'm putting it on there right. I said don't judge me because I don't know where my rat tail comb is. I don't know where none of that. I'm just using what I got. And that's in front of me. And this all I found. So don't judge me. Lay that how that is. Did I even do that damn part? Oh, look at me. No, I didn't. And tie this on and do it and leave it on for an hour. Just leave it on for an hour. Like this. Let me cut this shit out my eye. Like, I already can't see. Yeah. And then leave it on an hour.
So then, why?
Now after you cut the lace, apply your makeup and your spritz. And then go ahead and do it.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually, it's something that moves.
I'm frustrated and I don't even know how to style it. I just don't know what to do. It's cute though. It's cute. Now I installed it for y'all. I'm figured out. Give me a minute. And then you doing a swoop of the doop. Cause I'm telling you, I'm just winging this style. I don't even know what I'm doing. What the hell? Oh, this side not coming out the way I wanted to. See that? Look at that. You know I just don't know what the hell I'm doing. And I'm cutting it shorter because it's not giving. Sorry for all the commotion. My son is watching Chicken Little, so I have him occupied while I'm in here doing this. Comprende? Alright. Oh shit. All right, I tried. I tried. It's cute. It's soft. I'm telling y'all now, it's soft. The hair is very, very soft. I like it. I'm just gonna just give it a more wand. This right there at the front. So don't worry about that. This all y'all getting. It's cute. Tell me what y'all think. Bye. Till next time, y'all.